the Stratasys solution is more than just the hardware. It's the software that packages with it as well.
The slicer software we've currently been using for the Stratasys equipment is GrabCAD.
We can drop the models in, it'll tell us if there's any issues with them, be able to repair them, slice them apart, be able to package multiple ones in there, and really see any issues before we print a part that might pop up during the printing process. And then from there, it'll tell us if a part's good, a file's good, we can send it to the printers. Very reliable, thorough process.
We love GrabCAD because of the ease of use, and then the feedback. In GrabCAD, I can actually see the model, see what my support's gonna look like, kind of get a feeling for where the build's gonna come off of, what it's gonna do, and it helps me nest things a lot better. It's a great technological upgrade because our engineers don't have time to relearn something. So putting them on GrabCAD, they get an account, they sign into it, and within probably 8 minutes, they're printing. One thing that's really sticks out is the throughput. With digital array, we can actually build a nest a lot faster. We can also stack parts. They've also added the cut feature so that we can actually cut a build, which before we would have to take in another software, cut it, try to fix the bad edges, try to get it back into the file. So, I mean, it was just a mess. So now we can do everything inside of GrabCAD. Another feature we're very excited about is labeling. When we do a build, we may have a quantity of 1,000, so we like to label how many. We also look at it for serial numbers. We're using labeling also for fixtures for identification. Obviously they pick it up, it'll say left-hand sunroof fixture, right-hand sunroof fixture, but it'll say 1 of 1, 1 of 2 in case there's an actual second application they have to put in or a second fixture. We're also using it for version identifications. Another feature of GrabCAD that we are actually excited about is the cost estimations. We use those on a daily basis to tell our customers and provide them with the feedback of how much is gonna actually hit their cost center, how much material we're using, and then the time of the build. Sometimes our demand outstrips what we have capacity here. A great feature that's in GrabCAD Pro is the Stratasys Direct button, and you can click it and have that model estimated right on the plate, and it actually sends you an estimate back. We've utilized GrabCAD for that many times and sent numerous jobs to Stratasys Direct to kind of help with our overflow.